Okay, so I'm going to be doing this box break of a couple of boxes I just picked up at my local Walmart. So these are kind of interesting. You get they're just reprints of all kinds of old cards, and you get one autograph per box. And here I've never actually had one of these yet. This is just the newest Prizm basketball. You get one autograph or memorabilia per box, which typically means you will get one memorabilia card per box. So let's see. Start with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up all the packs, and I'm just going to go through them. Six packs, 4 cards per pack. Four cards per pack, 6 cards, a total of 12. $24 cards. Okay, so got a stack of cards. Start going through. Make sure you can see this and it's in focus. Darko Saric rookie card. Joe Young. LeBron James, go home, hard or go home. Wait, oh, go hard or go home with Sean Livingston behind it. He went home and he went hard. Bryce Johnson rookie card. Russell Westbrook, Sky's the Limit insert or something. Dragon Bender, that's a cool name. Aaron Harrison. Oh, that's probably my jersey. Okay. Rookie jersey. Malachi Richardson. Malachi Richardson. Not numbered. I like how it's a purple jersey and the card's all purple though. That's interesting. Fits. Isaiah Whitehead rookie. Finally a Prizm. Kelly Oubre Jr. First Prizm of the box. Wow. Oh, has that another Prizm? Because I should separate the Prizms. Maybe I have gotten other Prizms and I just haven't really paid attention. Oh, there's a green Prizm. Darren Williams, green. What I'm doing here is I'm checking for Prizms, and then any cards that have a weird back, that means they're different cards. I'll separate those. Okay. So, hit, a couple inserts. 3 Prizms. Not really anything different about. Zip one's green. Okay. Nice. Okay, now this one right here. So you just get one pack, 16 cards, and there's one autograph. So it's 15 base cards and one autograph. Really should have an actual knife here. Phillips head screwdriver is not necessarily designed for cutting. 65th anniversary edition. And okay, you get one pack. This is a silver pack. So these look like reprint cards. You want to know what sucks about them, though? Well, first off, the backs are all the same. An easy way you can tell they're reprints is they did not actually put foil on the cards. So that should have gold foil. The original card would have had, got to be gold. That would have been gold. Okay, so same with that card. God, see, this is weird with Topps to have reprinted their own cards and to not put gold foil on their own cards. So I'm trying to figure out which one is going to be my... That's my... Is that my autograph? See, I can't... No, I wish. Oh, that would be great. That was my autograph. Which one is... Is that real? Is that real life? I get the same card in here more than once? Oh, there's my... That's the same fucking auto I got last time. I guess Sparky Lyle. So if you get... You bastard. I got 2 boxes of these. Here, let's just go through the rest of the cards. Did I get any other doubles? No other doubles. So I got 2 Chris Bryant fake rookie cards, though. Okay. Damn. Such a cool looking card when I first got it. Now to get a second one, it's just lame. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Oh, also like, comment, subscribe, favorite, do all those things that YouTube makes you want to do so that you can get other people to watch your videos and get